Why should Joe Schmo's pressure washing business get basically free advertising along busy roads while other businesses don't? Sorry, but if they're placed in the public right away, I will yank every one I come across. They are my business. So I made a video about the best practices and designs for bandit signs, which can be a great source of lead generation for your service business, and this guy got a little riled up in the comment section. The guy that hustles the hardest and does the best with his marketing is going to have the most success. Just because you don't agree with somebody's marketing doesn't give you the right to take his signs. Let the local ordinance people do their job and you focus on yours. Work on your own marketing, increase your own lead flow. There's enough work out there for everybody, so stop wasting time and energy worrying about what someone else is doing. On a side note, his Google business listing is also free. Are you going to try to take down the internet next?